So today we're actually making Nigerian jollof rice in Germany. And here's my brother who's doing the actual cooking.
Alpha guys. Oh, you're recording.
Yeah, I am. So basically, preparing Nigerian food abroad is actually very tasking, and I want to ask him how convenient it is to get these dishes, to get this seasonings and ingredients to make this dish without going to the African store.
The number one thing that will make your jollof rice taste like Niger jollof is the Maggi.
Maggi is
Honestly,
the
any seasoning from here will make it go off. I can guarantee you. I've been looking for my Maggi, I can't find it. So I'm still looking for it because without it, I don't think I know what I'm doing.
Is it that like this Maggi you're looking for? Is it the Nigerian Maggi?
Yes, I brought it from Nigeria. I think they have the ones here that was also bought from Nigeria. They said it's Afro store. Depends. I don't know particularly where I bought this one, but I guess it's
But
from Nigeria.
but can you actually make Nigerian jollof without visiting the Afro store?
Of course, yes.
And would
You
you get
can
the same taste?
found it, Maggie. This is not a paid advert, but Maggie, you know this.
So this is what makes the Nigerian jollof.
This is one of it.
So,
Um,
but I've made Maggi in Germany without visiting the African store.
I think that's the yes. You have Maggie in River.
Ooh,
You can buy Maggie in River. You can buy it from
see.
yeah. I think you can buy it from River. This is not the best, but my food usually come out well.
But what about other seasonings like tomato, shombo, what do they call it? You know, this Yoruba tomatoes,
That
shombo, atatashe. Can you find them in Germany or they have different names?
you cannot find tatashe in Germany anywhere.
I thought tatashe was paprika.
Tatashe is paprika that is spicy. You know, paprika. The ones they call here pepper is not spicy. So it's those paprika to get the spicy
Mm-hmm.
stuff. Has to be habanero.
Habanero.
Habanero pepper.
And you cannot find habanero pepper in
You
Germany.
without going to Afro store, yes. And
And do you
Afro
know the reason?
or Asian store.
What's the main reason why you cannot find it? Is it that Europeans don't eat habanero pepper or what? Or
Habanero
just
is very spicy. Like
and Europeans don't eat spicy
they
food.
don't eat spicy that much. It has to be non-European.
Interesting.
Mm.
So, can you cook jollof rice without habanero pepper?
No,
It would not.
except you want to use the grounded pepper, but you won't achieve that same. You know what makes
Taste.
jollof rice is the spiciness that you
The
can say
taste.
this is from us.
How
When I
about this seasoning, curry, thyme, nutmeg, jollof rice spice itself? Okay, and definitely you can find it in the European store.
I
How
don't use all
about
those things
the
to
other
cook.
ones?
I don't use all those things to cook.
How is your jollof rice going to be tasty?
Ginger and the rest you can buy it from normal store. We are talking of the things that you cannot get from the store, right?
From the African store.
If you look at the things you can get from the normal river market, is of course olive oil, the red pepper, small tomatoes,
Mhm.
Maggi.
And that's the basics.
These are the basic. You can achieve jollof rice easily. My jollof is not the best, but it a try.
So
It a try.
we are Nigerians living in Germany, and if you're probably um, wanting to move to Germany and you're thinking, oh, I will miss my Nigerian food, at least jollof rice is something that you can actually cook jollof rice without going to the African store. You can make them just buying few things. You can get curry, you can get pepper, not the habanero pepper, but I think powdered pepper. We have powdered pepper here, right?
Powdered pepper, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, what's this picture? You say, I shot me. Cover first, we'll hear the sound. Yeah?
So you can literally enjoy nice food without breaking the banks, going to the African store to buy expensive ingredients. So you're welcome to Germany. Life in Germany, part one.